Welcome to the Canary Islands. If you plan to be one of the millions of people attracted by these islands, you'll enjoy your stay even more when you know these 5 fascinating facts about the Canary Islands. The canary bird was named after the islands, not the other way around. Christopher Columbus used the Canary Islands as a stopover when en route to the Americas. Lanzarote offers a volcanic moonscape that would make astronauts feel right at home. The islands have their own microclimate, ranging from very wet to very dry, depending on which island and which part of it you visit. All of the Canary Islands are volcanic islands. Do you want to know more about Canary Islands? Visit them with us. Visit them with Malaga Travel.